To import media into Premiere, navigate to File, Import. Locate and select the desired media files that are stored on your computer, and click Import. Hold the Shift key to select multiple files. Imported files will appear in the project panel. The file name is listed to the bottom left of the clip, and the duration to the bottom right. To rename a clip, double-click its name. Type a new name, and press Enter. The controls along the bottom of the project panel can be used to sort and customize the display of the clips. Clips can also be organized into folders called bins. To create a new bin, click the New Bin button, which looks like a folder, to the bottom right. Type a name for the bin, and press Enter. To move clips into the bin, click and drag the clips over the bin and release the mouse. To quickly preview a clip, select it in the project panel and use the handle, which is called a playhead, to scrub through the clip. Press the spacebar to play or pause the clip. To preview the clip in a larger window, double-click it and it will display in the source monitor. Use the spacebar or play controls to preview the clip. The timestamp displayed to the lower left of the source monitor indicates the position of the playhead, or position in time. The timestamp to the lower right displays the total duration of the clip. To add media to the timeline, click and drag it from the project panel to the timeline. Visual clips go in video tracks, and audio clips go in the audio tracks. If a sequence hasn't been created yet, a new sequence will be automatically generated. The timeline preview will display in the Program panel. More information about Premiere can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.